Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, we'll be solving this question which states that determine the current in the 5 ohm resistor shown in the circuit below. So this current, the current flow into this. So now solution. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to apply nodal analysis to this node and then nodal analysis to this node and also the supernode. So let's start from here. And this bottom is at 0 volts. This is our reference potential, which is at 0 volts. Here is 0 volt. The bottom, all this bottom here, because it's also a principal node, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches joining it. So applying KCL at this node, it will be 10 equals to I3 plus I2. Since the only incoming one into this node is 10, and these two are leaving the node. So then applying Ohm's law, I3 is V1 minus 0 over 3. So it's V1 minus 0 over 3. Then I2 is what? V1 minus V2 over 2. V1 minus V2 over 2. So if we simplify this, get V1 over 3 plus V1 over 2 minus V2 over 2. So we'll add this. Half plus 1 over 3 is 5 over 6. Five over 6 V1 minus 1 over 2 V2 equals to 10. So this is our first equation. So then, applying KCL to the supernode now, it will be V2 minus V1 over 2. V2 minus V1 over 2. Then V2 minus 0 over 1. Then V3 minus 10 over 5. Then V3 minus 0 over 2 equals to 0. So now if we simplify this, V2 over 2 minus V1 over 2 plus V2 plus V3 over 5 minus 10 over 5 is 2 minus 2 plus V3 over 2 equals to 0. Now we will add V1 is on its own, so we'll have negative half V1. V2 is 2. This is 1 plus 1 over 2 to be 3 over 2. Then plus 3 over 2 V2. Then V3 is 1 over 5 plus half of 5 plus 1 over 2. 7 over 10 plus 7 over 10 V3. Then this negative 2 will go to the other side, become 2. So this is our second equation, equation 2. Then to get the third equation, we will say V2 minus V3 is equals to 20 volts, because here is positive and here is negative. So here is at a higher potential and here is at a lower potential. So V2, positive V2 minus V3 equals to 20. So V2 minus V3 equals to 20. So this will be our third equation. So V2 minus V3 is equals to 20. We have the three simultaneous equations. We can solve it using any method we want. So I'm using Cramer's rule. AX equals to B. So the coefficient to be 5 over 6 minus 1 over 2. Then this is 0. Then the second one, minus 1 over 2, 3 over 2, minus 1 over 2, 3 over 2. Then this is 1. Then the third one is 0. The second equation is 7 over 10. And the last one is minus 1. And here is V1, V2, V3. Then here will be what? Here will be 10, 2, and 20. 10, 2, and 20. So this is it. So here are all the matrices that we need to find the determinants. So A is the matrix of the coefficient, this one. Then A1 is what? A1, we have replaced the first column of A with this 10, 2, and 20. This 10, 2, and 20. While maintaining the other ones. In this one is the second column. A2 is the second column that we replace. Then A3 is the third column. So we'll now find the determinants using calculator. We will find the first one. We'll find the first one. Then we'll save the other three inside and find them. So this is 5 over 6. 3 over 2. 7 over 10. 0. 1. And negative 1. So we'll just save this one directly and just find determinant. It's negative 1.583. Negative 1.583. So we'll just save these other three and find their determinants. So 6 at A, 3 by 3 will start 10, negative half, 0, 2, 3 over 2, 7 over 10, 20, 1, negative 1, then shift 4, 2, at B, 1, 5 over 6, 10, 0, minus 1 over 2, 2, 7 over 10, 0, 20, negative 1, shift 4, 2, mat 3, 1, 5 over 6, negative 1 over 2, Then negative 1 over 2, 3 over 2, 2, 0, 1, 20. Then we save it. So now we find determinant. Determinant of mat A, negative 30. This is negative 30. Determinant of mat B, negative 18.333. Then the third one, 13.333. So now we find the voltages. V1 now is V1 over A, which is the determinant, these two determinants. V2 is A2, determinant of A2, but determinant of A. Then V3 is the determinant of A3 over the determinant of A. So what is the determinant of A? That's negative 30 over negative 1.58. 1.583. Then this is what? Negative 18.333. Negative 18.333 over negative 1.53. Then the last one, 13.333. 13.333 divided by negative 1.583. Negative 1.58. So now, negative 30 over 1.583 is 18.95. Is 18.95. So here is 18.95 volts. The second one, so the next one is 18.333 over 1.58. The two minus will cancel. This is 11.58. Here is 11.58 volts. Then the last one, 13.333 over negative 1.58. Negative 8.42. Negative 8.42 volts. So these are the two voltages. These are the two node voltages. V1, V2, and V3. And the question says we should determine the current in the 5 ohm resistor. Here is the 5 ohm resistor. So the current through here will be V3 minus 10 volts over 5. That's the current through it. So the current through 5 ohm resistor, so the current through 5 ohm resistor will be equal to V3 minus 10 over 5. V3 is negative 8.42 minus 10 over 5. Only 8.42 minus 10 over 5. So it becomes negative 3.684. Negative 3.684 ampere. So what this means is that We assumed by this formula, we assume that current flows from V3 to 10 from this node V3 downwards. So since our value, the current has given us a negative value, that means current does not flow from V3 to here, instead it flows in the reverse direction. So that's assumed. We assume, since I said current flows from positive to, so current flows from higher to lower potential. So I assume that this is my higher potential and this is my lower potential. So since this current now is giving us a minus sign, that means that the current does not flow from V3 to 10. Instead, it flows from this 10 towards V3, the node V3. That means the higher potential is here, and here will be the lower potential instead now. So the negative sign indicates that the current flows towards this node 3, this node V3, this point from here flows upwards, not in the other way. So that's it. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.